that I told y'all I was testing. This looks like my real motherfucking hair right now, don't it? I literally just washed it and blow dried it as if it was my hair, because this is real raw hair. Like, look at the shine on the hair after just washing it. It was, baby, thick. It's thicker than me. The hair is thicker than me. Let me take this off. Ooh, that feels so bad. I feel like, I feel like I'm gonna do a middle part. I don't know. Maybe a side part. We gonna see. I'll put this shit on this, okay? Baby, it's pluck. Bust down. That's what I was thinking. Bust down, middle part, okay? Bust down, middle part. Get it to her. Get it to her. She is giving. She's giving. Y'all, hold on. I gotta cut this lace off and I need to see. So I got to put my hair for about 2 seconds. Cutting this lace off. Y'all already know. Like I'm gonna drop a little gem. That's what it is. Yes, a tutorial. What I'm saying, I'm dropping a little gem. Like I'm giving them a little secret. You know what? Leave me alone. He in my business with y'all. I'm talking to y'all. I'm not talking to him. Excuse me. Excuse me. Y'all see what I go through? The nonsense. Yeah, we got to get rid of that glue that was right there. We don't do glue. We gotta be perfect. Alright. I ain't worried about nothing else. That's no hair need to be on your lace, okay? Make sure you get that off. Okay, so y'all see this is the wig that I did my real on. Don't even worry about the cast because you know I just cut the lace. So that's what happens, honey. But I can't see, so I gotta cut this lace real quick on the side. And I make little slits for myself. When I do my clients, I don't do this. I just cut the whole thing. Don't want to leave none. Now y'all see that? Baby, it's given. Did it. It's done. Get any excess glue off. And I'm about to lay this joint down. Like, it's really about to be given. It's about to be given. Real bad. So this is the quick way. Just gonna add a little spray on here. And if you ain't here, you missing. You missing out on what's happening. If you ain't here, you missing out. This is a free little class right now. Okay? Y'all see that? Where did the cast go? Going. The cast is going. I'm telling y'all, you miss out on the gems if you ain't here. So you better get here. Because I'm dropping them. Alright, lots of them. It's out. Hit it real quick. Hit it. Wait, it's nice damn. Put back. I done dropped so many gems. Where the girls go? They gone. Y'all missed it. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Should've been here. Right, I'm gonna drop some more when I'm doing my baby hair. You know, all of that. But the girls were saying do a middle part bust down, so that's what we're gonna give. We're gonna give middle part bust down. That's what we gonna do. I ain't trying to hear shit about my over bleach knots. Don't say nothing to me. Don't say nothing to me. Cause I already know. Thank you very much. I already know. I know it looks crazy as hell up there right now, but this is just what it is. It is what it is, okay? Child, if you was on here a minute ago, you already know. Don't say nothing to me about my over bleach knots. I already know they over bleached. Okay, don't say nothing to me. I do it on purpose. Now, did I do this much on purpose? No, I did not. I did not. That would be me lying if I said I did. But it's okay, because I'm going to show y'all how to fix that if this happens and you're in a rush like me. Now, this is my wig that was on my live. I mean, that was on my, that I made that reel about new hair that I'm about to have for my drop shipping. Yeah, this is her. This is she. This is her, honey. And as you can see, this hair is giving. It's thick as hell. I literally just washed and blow dried this hair. I didn't really even have to bleach the knots, but I just did. Because that's just, I'm a professional, that's what I'm going to do, you know? But it didn't even need it. That's how great this hair is. Like, I'm telling y'all, if you shopped with me before, y'all already know I have the best raw hair. But now I got an even better vendor. And when I tell y'all this hair is that shit, this hair is that shit. It's a 26-inch, 13 by 6 front wig. And it's the bomb. The girl said get bust down middle part, so that's what I'm doing. We are doing a bust down middle part. I'm trying to still decide how I want to do my baby hairs, like, cause y'all know me. If you know me, you know. I'm a baby. I kill this baby. I look cute. I look cute though. I ain't complaining. But y'all done missed that. I was dropping all the gems because I just cut the lace with y'all and all of that. First of all, I'm flat ironing these chunky, thick pieces, and the hair is still giving. I gotta decide. Still giving silk. Like, that's good hair. All I did was hit it one good time. Hit it one good time. Like, look at the hair, honey. Thick from the roots to the end. They not skimpy. They not skimpy. Ain't no skimpy hair over here. We don't do skimpy. And one, I wish my vendor would. I would custom out. No skimpy hair. Good hair. Quality hair. Hair that's gonna last you about a good 4-5 years hair. Because people don't understand hair is an investment. Okay, as much money as we spend on bundles, on bullshit bundles, when you could just really get some good ass hair and keep it for a long time. I mean, that's just the best. That's the best bet. Hey girl, I'm telling y'all better shop with your girl. And I was thinking about bringing my wig sales back because I don't know if y'all know, but if you know, then you know. I used to do it like every year. I do a big ginormous wig sale. I color the wigs. They'll all be custom, like real cute. What y'all think? Y'all think I should bring that back? Do a big wig sale? I don't know. And if I did a big wig sale, y'all shopping? Is y'all shopping or not? I need to know. I need to know, honey. Are you shopping or are you just looking? Are you booking or are you just looking? And when I used to do my wig sales, whoever bought a wig got a free install because I mean it's from me. So yeah, I gotta look out, and I'd rather install it than anybody else. You feel me? Cause yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't know. Y'all think I should bring the wig sale back? Should I bring it back? Almost done. Thank God. I feel like I've been in here forever. I gotta hurry up. I'm going out tonight because I'm a mother, okay? And Mother's Day is tomorrow. So yeah, celebrating all the moms. Happy early Mother's Day to us. If you're a mom on here, happy early Mother's Day to you. Say it back. Say it back. Okay. I'm just playing. Like, get into this hair. Like, oh my God. Where's the flyaways, baby? I ain't seen one. Baby, get into this hair. Get into it. It's so dark. Love, 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 love it. I already know. Don't say nothing to me about the over bleach knots. I don't want to hear it. I already know. Don't say nothing to me. I think I already sprayed that in my damn eye. I'm trying to talk shit to y'all and I done sprayed my eye. Alright, that part is done. Ciao. Look at that, honey. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see what I see? Cause baby, do y'all see what I see, honey? It is the bomb. Should I bring the wig sale back or what? What y'all think, ladies? Should I bring it back or no? Yeah. To the new people coming on, don't say nothing to me about my knots. Alright now. Alright now. Don't say nothing to me yet. This looks like it's already pressed out and it ain't. Look at this hair. Oh my God. My vendor tore it up with this one. Okay. They tore it up. Y'all see this hair? Sheesh. Do y'all see how I see it? Like, what? Get into it. It's really gonna. I'll do this piece myself. I love a good 13x6. I could put some braids in it strong. I could do whatever with a 13x6. Like, that's why they the best, because they so big. It's endless ways to style them. Like, they just bomb. And I plucked the shit out of this one. Indeed. I really did that. Get into it. getting to it, honey. Yes, and I just did this. Y'all already know. Do it. Baby, don't play with your girl. Don't play with your girl. This hair? Like what?